expanding your consciousness and experiencing your greater self. This meditation is an exercise in imagination, visualization, and feeling. Its purpose is to expand your sense of self beyond the limits of your body and mind, embracing the whole universe. The result is a feeling of liberation. Enjoy this feeling of limitlessness, vastness, lightness, and space. Sit in a comfortable posture and close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths through your nose. The body becomes still and relaxed with every out breath. Bring your awareness to your whole body. Feel it as an entire unit. See your body from the outside, in the eye of your mind. Front, back, left, right, above, then from all directions simultaneously. Expand your awareness to the room you are in. Feel that it is your new self. Your consciousness permeates the whole room completely. Expand your awareness to your neighborhood. It is your new body. Every person, building, and living being there is now inside of you. Expand your awareness to your whole city or town. Then your country. Then the planet. Do your problems feel smaller now? Is your sense of self broadened? If thoughts come, just let them go and return to your visualization. Expand your awareness to include the entire universe. All the billions of planets, stars, galaxies, beings, light and space. It's all you know. Allow your sense of self to embrace the whole universe. You are infinite. Feel how large and spacious you are. You are beyond all limitation, beyond any individual name or form. And you are the witness of the whole cosmos, the observer of it all. Be still and relax in this recognition. Slowly bring your attention back to the room. Hear the sounds in your environment, one by one. Become aware of your body, its shape and size. Remember its position inside the room and the time of the day. Pay attention to your breathing for a few moments. Consciously make your breathing deeper. Slowly move your fingers, hands, shoulders. Then open your eyes.